This is laryngomalacia, the most common cause of stridor in infants. In adults, the structures around the vocal cords, those white things, are very sturdy. In infants, the same structures are immature and floppy. They collapse with breathing in, and that's what causes that squeaky noise. 90% of these infants will resolve completely on their own by 18 months of age, or with the help of reflux medication, with which there is a known correlation. Surgery is indicated if it is causing problems breathing, eating, growing, or heart or lung problems, as was the case with our case presentation. With surgery, the goal is to open up the airway more by releasing some of these tissues and trim the excess or redundant mucosa that is being sucked in when breathing. This microsurgery allows for the airway to be more open,